back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you've never been here. My name is Savannah and I also go by Say Ray. Oh, look how chocolate I look back here. And then look how light skinned I look right here. Chocolates. iPhones are racist. Dark people gotta be in the back. I'm just playing. This was supposed to be a little basic little tutorial, but it kind of took a left and just kept going left and just kept going left, and we ended up with this. This is such, like, I'm feeling so good to be back on YouTube. Like, I hope you guys really actually enjoy this tutorial and just, you know, stay here. Like, subscribe. If you subscribe, it's gonna make me want to make videos for you guys. But I'm gonna make videos regardless. I'm gonna make them for myself. So yeah, if you don't like it, I'm sorry. Look, you don't like my videos? I'm just playing, girl. I don't care. Bitch, let's go to Chili's right now. I hope you guys like enjoy this for real, for real. Like, be honest. Like, if you don't like it, like, keep your comment to yourself. You thought I was gonna say comment down below if you don't like it, girl. Keep your comment to yourself. So that's pretty much this look. You know, get into her. Get into her. Okay, let me just get off of this. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, oh, it just means so much to me. Every view is just like a hug to me. Like, thanks. I'm hugging you back. Thanks for that view. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys in my next video. Base for me. I don't know, my speaker's on the bed, so I'm gonna have to get it off. Well, before I get my speaker, let's just talk for a little bit. So I haven't been on YouTube because, like, I don't know, I just get so uninspired and like don't be wanting to do this stuff anymore, because like I look at my numbers and it's just like, this is not cute. My videos only do numbers when I use Beyonce's name. That's like so embarrassing. You know, like I can't even get my own people to like me. This video is just gonna be like just a basic, like, kind of natural beat. I know this looks crazy and I know a lot of girls don't be doing all of this, but you know, I don't have to do all this. So I highlight under eyes, forehead, cupid's bow, chin, nose. Those are things that I want to accentuate my face. So what is, oh, do y'all hear this foolery? This is not for me. side. Tryna get back on this side. Tryna get back what's been mine. I gotta get back on this side. Really miss the feeling. Got the yellow in the corner.
Do it on repeat. Sense controlling me. Yeah. Angels, halos over me. I need blessings in my peace. You been out the streets. Yeah. Ballin', I mean on my G's. We been going for a week. Now you on a peak. Yeah. Hands out while they tryna reach. I can't even.